open for classes 6 to 12 in state boards, schools and schools under Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE), Vidyalay, KVS, Navodaya, NVS, and National Institute of Opening School, that is NIOS. Story should be submitted in readable font, either in Hindi or in English. Okay. Font size, you can write this. Okay. Font size should be 12 for English and 14 for Hindi. The ones who are interested in participating can please write down. The font size should be 12 for English and 14 for Hindi. And the line spacing should be 1.15. 1.15. The pairing matrix of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat campaign must be followed, and that is available at https Ek Bharat dot, you can write https Ek Bharat .gov.in slash pages slash about slash implementation strategy. Stories on students' own state or the union territory shall not be considered. Shall not be considered. Okay. The final evaluation of the entries will be done by the persons authorized by the NCERT. All the stories must be written in either English or Hindi. The participant title of the story in the language of the paired state. Now, what is paired state? Paired state is when two states come together, that is pairing. That is Odisha with Maharashtra. Okay, it is paired state. Odisha with Maharashtra is a paired state. Okay. Now, the important dates is when you start is 31st October and when you end is 30th November. This is the time period. Okay. No entries will be accepted after this particular timeline. Okay. So this is the guideline. The mode of submission will be, you have to submit it at the website www, please write, .mygov.in. I have already told you this, right? Now, these entries will be categorized state-wise, okay, and sent to the state or the union territories for initial filtration. Then the evaluation of the entries at state level shall be done by the NCERTs, and then it shall select to 10 best entries. NCERT will select the best 3 entries for national level participation. What are the awards? The best 3 entries will be awarded by the Department of the School Education Literacy, Ministry of Education, Government of India, with attractive prizes and benefits. Okay. Sorry, certificates. And the top 75 mark, the top 75 entries will be given certificates for participation. The participation certificates will be given to all, and the winners will be announced through ministers. Okay, Ministry of Education. And what is the evaluation criteria? Participants, while developing their writings, should keep in their writing a factual or a historical text, something that has happened really. Okay. Digvijay Mishra is from 9B. Any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I do not know this child. Okay. And the facts and the figures, characters, and the experience should be original and presented in such a way that they relate or originate from the event, persons, or practice. Stories should be written based on facts and not on imaginative events. Okay, mark it. Huh? It should be real. And 50% of the marking will be only on the content, ideas, presentation, and characterization. 25% accuracy weightage. That is, accuracy is the correct and the appropriateness of language used in the stories, and the stories and the events, characters, and ideas should be presented in such a way, but language of the stories need not be current. Did not be inappropriate, and there should be an apt use of language. Fluency in one's ability to write, style and rhythm will be marked. Vocabulary, phrases, idioms, proverbs, appropriate words, narration style, that is the narrative technique, will be marked. And so 25% marks will be on the style and the presentation. What are the terms? The competition is open to all the citizens of India, and they will be submitting their writings on the website www.mygov.in. Entries submitted through any other medium or mode shall not be considered for evaluation. A participant can send only one entry, not many. That you write, don't like this, then I will send 2, 3 more. Teacher will make a choice, just like you do in answer. 2, 3 answer I will write. Any one you choose, no problem. That is not accepted. Second, the entry should be original. Copied entries are considered under, will not be considered, okay, under the context. And please note that the creative entries must be original and should not violate any of the provisions of the Indian Copyright Act 1957. Anyone found infringing on others' copyright would be disqualified. Government of India does not bear any responsibility for copyright violations or infringements of intellectual property carried out by the participants. Mention of the author, name, email anywhere in the body will not end to disqualification. Will not end to disqualification. It is written. Participants are to make sure that MyGov profile is accurate and updated, and the Ministry of Education would use this for further communication. Okay, name, photo, complete postal address, email ID, phone number, entries with incomplete profiles would not be considered. Ministry of Education reserves the right to cancel all or amend all or any part of the competitions or the term and the conditions, technical parameters, evaluation criteria. These are some of any changes in the terms and the conditions, technical evaluation criteria will be updated, posted on the MyGov platform. Did you understand, children? So how many of you are interested in this can tell me and text me so that I will send you. If you haven't heard carefully or you have missed out something, I will send out those screenshots. Okay, as that these are for the guidelines and the awards and the terms. Okay, if you are interested. Okay, and this is what we are doing actually for the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, that is the 75th year of independence, and also the program that is called on behalf of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, children, this was our observation day. Motto was to promote among you the writing skills. Okay, if you're interested, and also to tell you the importance of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary, what contributions he has made for the country, and also to tell you about that there is a statue you can go and visit in Gujarat. Okay, it's the highest, tallest statue. It's very beautiful. You must have seen on the TV. I too have not visited, but I have seen on the TV. Planning to visit. You also plan to visit. Okay. So this is where we end here. Thank you to all the participants for joining, sparing your time, and respecting your teacher to come and put on your videos and listen to it. Thank you very much, children. Most welcome on Monday with smiling faces and happy moods to meet your teachers. I'll be happy to meet you on Monday. Thank you very much for joining. You can leave now. Thank you so much. The ones who have taken the screenshots, videos, can please share it immediately with me after this program ends, the class ends, so that I can forward it to the principal. Thank you so much. You may leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.